Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm up with a new video wherein I'm going to share a few tips regarding hair fall during your weight loss journey. I get so many comments and messages about hair fall. That is a very common problem of weight loss journey. So when you work out, there is a lot of sweat and dust, because of which your hair suffer the most, and also because of the improper care and lack of nutrition. The most common problem that occurs is hair fall. So in this video I'm going to share how you can take care of your hair with proper nourishment and nutrition. That's very important in order to maintain your hair growth and avoid hair fall problems in your weight loss journey. All of this problem occurs because of starvation and making yourself hungry. I hope you will find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. I make health and fitness related videos and many more videos that will help you in your weight loss journey. So the first very important tip is hair oiling. So you all know that I have been using onion hair oil on my hair since a very long time, and last time I used it, it was over and I haven't got that much amount of time to prepare it again. So I'm going to use this hair care range from Dermaco. So they have this anti hair fall range, so I'm going to use this anti hair fall oil that has onion, bhringraj, minerals. So oiling plays a very important role when it comes to hair fall and in your weight loss journey, because your hair need nourishment. So I make sure that I oil my hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's not necessary that you wash your hair every time you oil it. It is okay if you keep it overnight or you keep your hair in oil itself while doing your workouts as well. Even if you're going to wash your hair after oiling, make sure that you give at least 2 to 3 hours so that it reaches your scalp, and it's very important for your nourishment. Now I'm going to use the anti hair fall shampoo from the same range. It has caffeine, niacinamide and is sulfate free. That's really very important. Don't use too much of shampoo while washing your hair. Too much of anything is bad, so make sure that you take a small amount of it and wash it and clean your scalp thoroughly. Now the tip number 2 is to not dry your hair with a towel just when you are done with the shower, because when your hair is wet, they are vulnerable to fall very easily. Tip number 3 is to avoid using a hair dryer after your hair wash. Try and avoid it as much as you can, because using heat onto your wet hair makes it more vulnerable to fall. Now tip number 4 is hair nourishment. For sure, it's very important for your hair to look clean, to look anti-frizzy. So in order to make it anti-frizzy, we mostly use hair straighteners or dryers and style it. So in order to avoid that, use hair serum. So I'm using this multi-peptide hair serum from Dermaco. Also, they have biotin supplements. If you're facing this hair fall problem, you must go for it, because biotin is really very helpful in hair growth. So you can try this anti-hair fall range from Dermaco. Use code TALES25 to get extra 25% discount. Link would be there. Now tip number 5 is to drink lots and lots of water. Yes, water is a solution for almost everything. Not only it helps in better digestion, but is also very helpful in getting your body rid of all the toxins and acids. When it comes to nutrition, make sure that you eat properly. Now some of the people, that is very common mistake that they do, is that they avoid eating when they're on their weight loss journey. They starve, and because of that their body get deprived of important nutrients, and because of getting deprived of those important nutrients, your body suffers with the dull face and hair fall. That's why most of the people who face hair fall, the main reason behind is the lack of nutrition. Last but not the least, very important tip is to tie your hair properly. Now with this styling, with using straighteners and different styles on our hair, the hair tend to become very weak. So it's important that you tie them thoroughly. There are two reasons because of this. You actually use less comb, and that is really helpful in avoiding hair fall. And second, it will make your hair very healthy and strong. So tie them more often. Make sure that you tie them thoroughly when you go to bed, because that is the most important time when, because of your inappropriate sleeping position, the hair might fall. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along, and yes, I'll see you soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.